अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 67, topic number 120. आभ्यां महाप्रपंच तदुपहित चैतन्याभ्यां तप्तायः पिण्डवदविविक्तम् सदनुपहितं चैतन्यम् सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्म इति वाक्यस्य वाच्यम् भवति विविक्तं सत् लक्ष्यमपि भवति. एवं वस्तुन्यवस्त्वारोपः अध्यारोपः सामान्येन प्रदर्शितः. Author Sadananda presenting the Adhyaropa topic. Adhyaropa means superimposition. Atasmin tadbuddhihi is Adhyaropa. Atasmin tadbuddhihi means seeing one object as other. That is called atasmin tadbuddhi. Tasmin tadbuddhi jnanam. Seeing rope as rope is jnanam. Tasmin, rope, on the rope, you see tadbuddhi, rope buddhi, the knowledge of rope. It is jnanam. What jnanam? Rope knowledge, rope jnanam. Tasmin atadbuddhihi. Upon that rope, instead of seeing rope, you see the snake. Tasmin atadbuddhihi. Other than the rope, you see, it is called atadbuddhihi. Seeing the snake upon the rope is called adhyaropa. What is adhyaropa? Seeing the snake upon the rope is adhyaropa. In English, it is called as superimposition. Which is not there, you see that as it is, but it is not there. So, like that, just like an example, the whole universe, what you are seeing, is not real, it is your superimposition. It is your adhyaropa, aropanam pandrathu, superimposition. This adhyaropa also two types. Samanya adhyaropa and Vishesha adhyaropa. Samanya adhyaropa means general superimposition. Samanya means what? General. General superimposition. Then what is the second variety in Vishesha adhyaropa? Specific superimposition. Specific superimposition. So everyone looks at the world, it is Samanya adhyaropa. General superimposition. எல்லாருக்கும் பொதுவா உலகம் தெரியறது. உலகம் தெரியறது கண்ணு முன்னாடி. இது எல்லாருக்கும் சாமானியம் தான், காமன். இதுதான் சாமானிய அத்தியாரோபா. பட் விசேஷ அத்தியாரோபம் வந்து தனித்தனியே இருக்கும். Depends on their perception. For example, one person see that a rope as rope, but everyone cannot see the rope as a rope. They mistake. Another person see it as a snake. Another person see it as a mala, garland. Another person see it as a garland. Another person see it as a water stream. Water stream. Another person see it as a bhuchidram, some crack in the earth. The crack in the earth. So 3 people sees it differently in 3 types. What they are seeing really there? Only one. Idam amsha, idam sarpaha, idam mala, idam bhuchidram, idam jaladhara. All these are called Vishesha Adhyaropa. Vishesha Adhyaropa. Manifold ways Adhyaropa will cause. Many ways. So until now the author completed this Samanya Adhyaropa. From next chapter onwards, Vishesha Adhyaropa is going to come. Specific superimposition. What is Samanya Adhyaropa? He said until now, he concludes 5 elements are born. 5 elements at total level, at individual level. Sthula Prapancha, Sukshma Prapancha, and Karana Prapancha, and Pratibimba Chaitanyam. In all these mediums, that Chaitanyam is reflecting. So RM, RC and OC. OC is Brahma Chaitanyam. Since it is all pervading, it is reflecting in the whole universe. So, Sthula Prapancha, gross universe, subtle universe, they are nothing but they are all appearing because of Brahma Chaitanyam OC. Mediums are reflecting because of original consciousness. OC means what? Original consciousness. So that is Samashti level. Vanavatu, Jalashevatu, he has given examples. Forest. Like that individual level, Vesti level also, same Sthula Shariram, Sukshma Shariram. Again reflecting consciousness, Chidabhasa. So, RC, RM and OC. Total level and individual level. Total level is called Prapancha. Individual level is called Jiva. Okay? Total level and individual level. Macro level and micro level. So he concludes here, Abhyam Maha Prapancha Tadupahita Chaitanyabhyam. Maha Prapancha means total universe. Maha Prapancha Tadupahita Chaitanyam. In that Prapancha, Upahita Chaitanyam means that Chaitanyam associated with Nama Rupa. Upahita Chaitanyam, just as Tapta Ayaha Pindavat Aviviktam. That iron ball you put in the fire, black iron ball you take and put in the fire. Generally, they never call it as iron ball. It is red in color now. Then it is called fireball. Fireball, they call it as. Really, it is not fireball. It is only iron ball. Tapta ayaha. Tapta means that has burned. Tapta means what? With fire is associated. That iron ball is associated with fire. Therefore, it is called Tapta ayaha. Tapta ayaha. Pindana ball. Pindavad. That iron ball, when it is burned in the fire, it is red hot iron ball. Red as well as hot also. Red hot iron ball. But the fire and iron ball you cannot see separately. Aviviktam. Viviktam means distinct. Aviviktam means not distinct, not separated. They are together. Therefore you call it as fireball. Because they appear as one. You don't see iron, black iron, but you see only fire. Fire is theriyum. When you see these people are welding, when they are doing iron rods and all, and balls when they are burning, you don't see that iron at all. You see only fire. The fire principle is theriyum. Like that, tapta ayha pindavat aviviktam. Not distinct, they are not separate. Together they are. Sat, it is like that. Anupahita chaitanyam. When it is anupahitam, that chaitanyam which is separate. Anupahita means that which is not associated with Namarupa. Anupahita means which is not constrained by, restricted by, which is not in association with the Nama Rupa, the Anupahita Chaitanya. So that Akasha which is in this Ghata is Upahita Akasha, associated with the pot. Once you break the pot, that Akasha becomes what? This Akasha becomes Anupahita Akasha. Enclosed, unenclosed. జ్ఞాపకం ఇచ్చే పోదాం. ఉపహితం అన్నా ఎన్క్లోజ్డ్, అనుపహిత మీన్స్ unenclosed. As long as this body, subtle body is there, Chaitanyam is upahitam Chaitanyam, enclosed Chaitanyam. Once this body goes away, Chaitanyam, what it becomes? Anupahita Chaitanyam. RM gone, RC only continuing. RC also will go away when you get Jnanam. Until you get Jnanam, this RC also, Chaitanyam is enclosed. That's why Sukshma Sariram travels. Ajnana enga irukena manasukulla irukke. Sukshma Sariram irukke, not body la. After this body goes, also Ajnana continues. Where? In which body? Sukshma Sariram. So until you get knowledge, the Chaitanyam is Upahita Chaitanyam only. If you get knowledge, the Sukshma Sariram is released. Until that time. Therefore, Anupahita Chaitanyam. Therefore, when that Brahman is Upahita Chaitanyam in this whole universe, associated with Nama Rupa, the Upanishad says, they call it as Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma. எல்லாமே பிரம்மன் தானே, இது எல்லாமே பிரம்மன் தானே అని சொல்லுவோம். இதம் சர்வம், whole thing, all these are nothing but Brahma. Khalu, indeed అని అర్థం. Khalu అన్న indeed, certainly, really, in fact. Whole thing is Brahman only. What type of Brahma? Upahita Chaitanyam Brahma. Associated with Nama Rupa. The whole universe, what you are seeing, nothing but Brahman with Nama Rupa. Therefore, they say, Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma. Sarvam Brahmamayam. Philosopher anna Sarvam Brahmamayam ani solluva. Devotee, Bhakta enna solluva? Sarvam Krishnamayam ani solluva. Sarvam Krishnamayam or Sarvam Ramamayam. சர்வம் ராமமயம் சொன்னாதான் சர்வம் பிரம்மமயத்துக்கு வர முடியும். இந்த ஞானம் இல்லாமல் அந்த ஞானத்துக்கு வர முடியாது. So therefore, Khalvidam Brahma iti Chandogya Upanishad, 3rd chapter, 14th section, 1st mantra. Care of. Note your notes. Okay. Vakyasya Vachyam Bhavati. Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma, primary meaning of that Brahman. What is the primary meaning of that whole thing is associated with Nama Rupa Brahma is this world. This world is the primary meaning. Brahma primary meaning. This Nama Rupa Brahman. Illiye. Then what? He says, Viviktam Tat, Viviktam Sat. If you separate that Brahman from Nama Rupa, separate the Brahman from Nama Rupa, that Brahman is called what? Lakshyamapi bhavati. Secondary meaning. Lakshyartham anartham. So Lakshyartham. Nama Rupa Sahitam Brahma is Vachyartham. Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma Vachyartham. Really speaking, if you separate the Nama Rupa, that Brahman is called what? Real Swarupam. Lakshyartham. Lakshyartham. So you need not destroy the universe. Happily enjoy the universe. Celebrate Gokulashtami. Everything you eat, murukku cheeda illa saapidungo. Nashtame illa. This is really privilege. But at the same time, Lakshyartham is, the whole thing is pervaded by consciousness. That is Lakshyartham. But nobody remembers this. Nobody remembers this, enamored by this Nama Rupa, thinking this is real. That is the superimposition. When you see the part, there is nothing wrong in seeing the part. There is nothing wrong in seeing the part. There is nothing wrong in using the part. There is nothing wrong in decorating the part. There is nothing wrong to keep this pot and dance. Nothing wrong. But thinking there is a pot is wrong. Thinking there is a pot is wrong notion. What is right notion? Right notion, thought, there is no pot. There is no pot. Then what is there? Clay alone is there. When can I say this? After destruction of the pot? When can I say there is no pot at all? There is only clay. When can I say? While holding the pot itself I can say. Now can you say? You should see only clay, not pot. Pot is just my lip movement. The clay only in the form of, in the name of pot. Clay alone, clay alone, clay alone is in the form and the name of a pot. Pot angarade kadiyave kadiyadu. Pot angar substance kadiyadu. Pot ki existence kadiyadu. Existence engirka clay lo da irukku. பின்னாடி கிளே தான், முன்னாடி கிளே தான், மேல கிளே, கீழே கிளே, எல்லாமே கிளே தான். இது புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு பாட்டு உடக்க வேண்டிய அவசியம் கிடையவே கிடையாது. புரியுறதா? அது மாதிரி whole jagat is, when I say pot, this is vachyartham. Potக்கு vachyartham. Primary meaning pot anu சொன்ன உடனே pot shape comes in my mind. This is primary meaning. Primary meaning and immediate meaning. Popular meaning. What comes in my mind immediately, that is called primary meaning. வரட்டுமே, அந்த பிரைமரி மீனிங் ஒன்றில் வந்தால் கூட தப்பு இல்லை. ஆனாலும் அதுதான் கரெக்டானு நினைக்கக்கூடாது. அதுதான் தப்பு. தட் இஸ் த டிஃபரன்ஸ். அந்த பிரைமரி மீனிங்கை தாண்டி அந்த லட்சியம் போகணும். பிரைமரி மீனிங் கிடையவே கிடையாது. நிஜமா அதுக்கு லட்சியார்த்தம் என்ன? கிளே. இது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. இது மாதிரி இப்போ அப்ளை பண்ணணும். இந்த நாம ரூபா, இது ஒரு பாட்டு. இந்த நாம ரூபா, when I say I am body, mind, complex plus OC. When I am, what is primary meaning? Body, sense organs, mind, intellect, reflected consciousness, Chidabhasa plus OC. This is I am. Primary meaning. Not only that, I am wife, I am husband, I am daughter, I am son, I am officer, I am doctor, I am advocate. Primary meaning. But all these factors, components, body, mind, sense organs, intellect, RC plus OC, whole thing I really belongs to whom? Really belongs to OC only. These are all mithya, unreal. Eppadi part illenu sonnado, part illenu eppadi sonnado, adhe madri and the part nama rupa belong to the clay nu sonnadu illaya. Adhe madri in the manasu, deham, indriyams, intellect, even including RC, all are poi. They are all lying, reclining, depending, leaning upon what? And what they are leaning, that is Satyam, that which is giving existence to all of them, they are all Mithya. In the Mithya, the correct Satyam, that is superimposition. That is superimposition. If you superimpose the snake on that, bhayam, frightening, sweating, tremors. Similarly, if you look at this Nama, Rupa, Prapancha, Deha, Manas, Indriyams, connected problems, relations, all sort of miseries, worry, problems will come. Limitations, all limitations. Limitations venda. In the limitation venda. I don't want this sorrow, I don't want limitation, I don't want to frighten, I don't want to get to suppression, oppression, depression. If you don't want, just knock off all these deha, indriya, manasu, buddhi, ellame or drama da. Just you use the part, similarly use the body, use the mind, use the intellect, but know them, they are not real. Use panninde sollama illaya? Use panninde sollan. Samadhikku povenda. Samadhikku ponuma? Use panninde sollalam. Appadi sollanum. Adi lakshyamapi bhavati. Idi lakshyartha. Vachyartham nananu chonnodane sarvam kalvidam brahma ellame brahmanda. Nama rupam brahman. You go to lakshyartha, that is the secondary meaning, exact meaning. Every one of us has to arrive at lakshyartha. Once I arrive at lakshyartha, I am free from dukkham. Freedom, this is called freedom, inner freedom. I am not afraid of even old age. Old age for whom? Body. Depression where? Mind. Passive where? Pranamaya kosha. Daham where? Pranamaya kosha. Unintelligence. Intelligence is not there. Where? Vijnanamaya kosha. All limitations where? That's what he says. Evam vastuni avastu aropaha. Vastuni brahmani atmani avastu aropaha. Just as you superimpose avastu, means snake. Illa the snake vande vastuni on the rope, you superimpose. Avastu vastuni aropaha. Illa the pambu avastu. Vasati iti, that which is there is vastu. Na asti, na vasati, iti avastu. So, avastu, illa the pambu, avastu. What is the vastu there? Rope. Illa the pambu, avastu, vastuni on the rope, you are doing what? Superimposing. Adhe madri, in the nama, rupa, idu ellame because of your ignorance, they are not there really speaking. Your name is, suppose you say, my name is Shankara Narayanan. Tell me Shankara Narayanan, இங்க யாருக்கு இல்ல அந்த பேர், அதுக்கு தான் சொல்றேன். Shankara Narayanan, Shankara Narayanan is this hand. Suppose a person says Shankara Narayanan or Shankar. Shankara na hand Shankara, leg Shankara, tala Shankara. யார் Shankar? ஒரு மனசு Shankara. எது Shankar? Shankar கிடையாது. Shankar is not there. Shankar is on your lips. Tell me who is Shankar? Head is Shankar, கால் Shankara, கை Shankara, இல்லைன்னா மனசு Shankara, புத்தி Shankara. எது Shankar? எல்லாம் சேர்த்து Shankar. எல்லாம் சேர்த்து Shankar யார் சொல்றானோ அவன் தான் Shankar. அது Shankarக்கு வாச்சியார்த்தம், அது Shankarக்கு லட்சியார்த்தம் இஸ் பிரம்மா, ஆத்மா. புரியுறதா? Shankar சொன்ன உடனே வாச்சியார்த்தம் இஸ் வாட்? பாடி, மைண்ட், காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ், ஆர்சி, ஓசி. வாச்சியார்த்தம். Shankar லட்சியார்த்தம் இஸ் வாட்? ஆத்ம சைத்தன்யம். அந்த ஆத்ம சைத்தன்யம் Shankar வந்து இந்த பாடியில மாட்டிண்டா. பாடி போய் very difficult to swallow, but it takes time. You will swallow, you will assimilate, but it takes time. That's all. Because truth is truth. It has to come. Avastu avastuni aropaha vastuni ni saptami. On that, upon that vastu. Avastu, which is not there. Avastu, which is not there really. Swami, theriyarde anna. Not there and எப்படி சொல்றேன்? தெரியறது 80 kgs, 70 kgs. I will ask, Shastra says, dream கூட தெரியறது. Dream objects are you are knowing. Are they real? Dream body is real? அது எப்படி அன்ரியலோ இது கூட அன்ரியல் தான். ஒத்துக்க முடியலையே சுவாமினி. You have to wake up. And the dream unreal னு சொல்றதுக்கு எப்படி you are waking up? Similarly, you have to wake up from ignorance. You wake up from ignorance, you know this is unreal. It is possible. It is possible. This is the truth. That is the truth. That is the fact. Aropaha. Samanyena pradarshitaha. Until now, the whole superimposition generally has presented. The whole universe, 5 elements modification, grossification, from them sthula sharira, first sukshma sharira, indriyani, jnanendriyani, karmendriyani, pranadayaha, buddhi, manasu, chittam, ahankara, all came, sukshma shariram, then sthula shariram came. So next sthula prapancha, sukshma prapancha, from that this came. This is called samanya adhyaropa. இது வரைக்கும் ஆயிடுது. இப்போ என்னென்ன விசேஷ அத்தியாரோபா, எக்ஸ்ட்ராஆர்டினரி, ஸ்பெசிஃபிக் அன்மாட்ட. இங்கே தான் ப்ராப்ளம். விசேஷ அத்தியாரோபம்லாம் தான் ப்ராப்ளம். யூ see the world as world, ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி, there is no problem. Because of your raga dvesha, you create projection. Nidra Shakti is samanya. Nidra is samanya. And the nidralo creating a dream, nidra ellarku samanyama illaya? All of our sleep la edho difference irukka? This person deep sleep is different, deep sleep is different solla mudiyuma? That's why Annamacharya wrote, in deep sleep nindara razu nidrinchu nidrayunokate andane bantu nidra adiyunokate annar. Deep sleep, raja sleep, this the person who is sleeping on the brick lorry, sand lorry, and the raja sleeping in palace, or prime minister sleeping in the AC room. Even nidraki avan nidraki enna difference? Difference kadiyadu illiyo? Edula difference enna? அவருடைய ட்ரீம்ல இவனுடைய ட்ரீம்ல டிஃபரன்ஸ். ட்ரீம்ல டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்குமா இருக்காதா? ராஜா ட்ரீம் தனி, இந்த பிரிக் லாரி மேல the person who is sleeping, servant, is tani. The sevaka who is working, his dreams different. The prime minister dreams are different. This is called Vishesha Adhyaropa. Nidra is the same, Samanyam for all. But dream is, that is called Vikshepa. Avarana Nidra Shakti is common for all. But Vishesha Adhyaropa is dream. Adhe madri, and Drishtantam. Example, inge jagrate irukano. நான் இப்படி சொன்னதெல்லாம் ராஜா இது எல்லாமே திருஷ்டாந்தம். திருஷ்டாந்தம் என்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஐ எம் கிவிங். யூ ஹாவ் டு கம் டு தார்ஷ்டாந்த ஒரிஜினல். வாட் இஸ் தட் ஒரிஜினல்? பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் ignorance, common ignorance, everyone superimpose nama rupa. Everyone superimpose nama rupa. Whole prapancha, 5 elements, everything is born. Sthula shariram, sukshma shariram, one shariram, your shariram, their mind, intellect, ellame samanyam. But analam, ingada vishesha enna, my problems are different from her problems. His problems are different from my problems. My sukha is different from his sukha. His sukha is different from their sukha. Sukha, dukkha, experiences, all are different. Based on Vishesha Adhyaropa. Based on their projection. Dream also, why this person gets one type of dream, that person get another type of dream, tell me. Ellarku ore dream varalam illiyo. Nidra common ah irkumbodhu எப்போது யோசிச்சேளோ? எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரே ட்ரீம் வந்தா எப்படி இருக்கும்? வராது. Everyone never get the same dream. Why person to person dream is different? When sleep is same, why person to person dream is different? Na dream is based on vasanas, his mind set up. Vasanas. Nidra is common. That is Avarana Shakti is common for everyone. But Vikshepa Shakti is, projection is different. Eppadina, not seeing the rope is common. 4 people are standing here, suppose. 4 persons are standing. Not seeing the rope is common to 4 of them. But one person see the snake, his projection. Upon what? Rope. Another second person see the crack in the earth. Second person. Upon what? Same rope. Jagrata kedungo. It's very important. Third person look at that as garland. Where? Upon the same rope. Third person. Fourth person looking at as the water stream. Where? Upon the same rope. Ore rope 4 vidhama 4 பேருக்கு தனித்தனியா தெரியாது. அந்த ஒரே rope first ஆவரணம், not seeing the rope is common. Okay? Not seeing the rope, that rope is covered for both 4 of them. Rope is covered from their eyes for 4 of them. But rope appearing differently based upon their projection. That is called Vikshepa Shakti. Now, this Vishesha Adhyaropa, this is called Vishesha Adhyaropa. Samanya Adhyaropa means superimposition upon the rope. This is Samanya. 4 பேருக்கு superimposition da. Samanyam da. Not seeing the rope is Samanyam. Because of that, it leads to Vishesha Adhyaropa differently. எப்படி நமக்கு ட்ரீம் வந்து தூக்கம் காமனா இருக்கும் போதும் கூட ட்ரீம் வந்து தனித்தனியா, எனக்கு ஒரு ட்ரீம், எனக்கு ஒரு ட்ரீம். சில பேருக்கு திருவண்ணாமலை அருணாச்சலேஸ்வரா கம்ஸ், சில பேருக்கு கிருஷ்ணா கம்ஸ், சில பேருக்கு இன்னொன்று ட்ரீம் வரும், சில பேர் பஸ் கிடைக்கலன்னு ட்ரீம் வரும், சில பேருக்கு அதிரசம் கிடைக்கலையே சுவாமினின்னு ட்ரீம், மைசூர் பாக்கு நல்லா இருக்கேன்னு இன்னொரு சாப்பிட்ட மாதிரி ட்ரீம். ஏன் இப்படி வருது என்ன? Every person's projection is different. This person projection is different, this person projection is different, this person is projection is different. Umpteen differences, different projections are there. Therefore, whole universe is appearing in front of a person, Ajnani, because of superimposition, common. Ellar gumpulo govinda, common superimposition. Adilo Mamiyar vundachu. Mamiyar எனக்கு மாத்திரம் ரொம்ப கோபம் வரும் மாமியார். அதே மாமியார் so lovable to her daughter. Same mamiyar. Why this lady hates her and why that lady loves her? If a mistake is in this mamiyar or this lady or that lady. Daughter and daughter-in-law. Okay. Daughter ki very lovable. Daughter-in-law ki kasap. Kasap another bitter. Mother-in-law is bitter. Ipo in the bitterness, sweetie, lovable is because of this mamiyar or this daughter-in-law and daughter. Daughter and daughter-in-law. Kullada irukka thavare mamiyar ore mamiyar. Ore mamiyar pavam. Adha in the daughter-in-law projection is different. Daughter's projection is different. Avladane adhe madri now people whole common man project one way, educated people project in another way. That's what he says in the next chapter begins now. Okay, Samanya Adhyaropa is ready. Screen is ready. Now Vishesha Adhyaropa is going to come upon that screen. We'll read that. Third chapter will enter first 122 topic. Idanim Pratyagatmani idam ayam aropayati visheshata uchyate. Idanim, now having completed the superimposition is ready. Okay, what superimposition? Missing the vastu as it is. That is ready. Not seeing Brahman, 5 elements, from that grossified elements, born, that subtle bodies, all species, what all came? 14 lokas, Panchakoshas, or you can take 14 lokas, born from egg, born from womb, born from sweating, born from moisture. All born, ready. The projection start drama. Drama is going to start. Ellar vesham pottachu. Ellar vesham potte ready stage is, everything is set. Drama is going to begin. Roles are going to roll on the stage. Problem. What are all problems? Body problems I put on myself. Mind problems I put on myself. Intellectual problems I put on myself. Not only my problems, my daughter problems I put on myself. My husband problems I put on myself. My son problems I put on myself. My neighbor problems I put on myself. I put on myself. I put on myself. Pratyagatmani, upon oneself. Pratyagatmani, idam, this is, idam, this. This is my house, this is my car, this is my son, this is my daughter, everything, this. Idam mama. Idam namama cholla vendamo. This is not mine, chollano. Idam namama. When you do Indraya Swaha, Idam namama. Varuna Swaha, Idam namama. This is belong to Varuna, it is not belong to me. This is belong to this Lord, this is not belong to me. Ippudu chollano. Idam mama. we are telling. That is the idam, I am. This is I am this, this is what? This is so Subramanyam. This is Ram Kumar. This is Ravindra Kumar. This is Surendra Kumar. This is what? Aham. Once aham vandavadane, Appa. This is my father. Mama. I am idam, I am idam, I am. Once on the ego vandavadane, aham. Once I say I am this, so and so. Relations, naturally you are accepting. Naturally you are accepting. What? Once I am so and so Subramanyam. Who is the Subramanyam? Father. Nikkarar pinnadi. Father irundha amma inge irukkar. Tanga tata. Oh kullu tata inge irukkar. When that's relations started. I am idam I am aropayati, superimpose. Visheshataha na sollanuma. Varieties in artham. Varieties of names, varieties of forms, varieties of relations, varieties of objects. How many objects? One or two? How many relations? This man, this boy, tie மூடு முடிச்சு போடுவான் ஒரு பொண்ணுக்கு. போட்ட உடனே this boy tied 3 knots. This boy mother became mother-in-law. This boy mother became what? Mother. அந்த அம்மா ஒன்னும் பண்ணல. But she became mother-in-law. And eldest brother not come to marriage at all. அவன் எங்கேயோ அமெரிக்காலோ எங்கேயோ வாஷிங்டன்ல இருக்கா. அவன் வரவே இல்லை. இங்க மூடு முடிச்சு போட்டு உடனே அவன் என்ன ஆயிட்டா? பிரதர் இல்ல. இது என்ன அக்கிரமம்? ஈவன் சன்னியாசினி ஆலுசோ ஒன்னும் பண்ணல. அங்க யாரோ சிஸ்டர்ஸ் டாட்டர் சம்படி ஹஸ் காட் கிராண்ட் சன் ரெண்டு பண்ணி சித்தி ஆயிடுவான். நான் எப்படி சித்தி ஆக முடியும்? நான் ஒன்னும் பண்ணலையே. சித்தி என்ன அர்த்தம்? அம்மானுடைய சிஸ்டர். Suppose my sister, her daughter got a son, what will happen? Grandmother. Grandmother. What I have done to become grandmother? I have not done anything. But relation has come. Onnu pannavale. So this is called world. All relations. Sollamale, vedumani kekkamale kuda vandudu. யாரோ எங்கேயோ மூடு முடிச்சு போட்ட நமக்கு எதுக்கு ரிலேஷன் என்ன? அதான்ப்பா வேர்ல்டு. பந்தம் சம்பந்தி என்ன அர்த்தம்? சம்யக் பந்தனம் குருத்தே இது சம்பந்தி. டைட் என்ன அந்த ஜாமாதா தசமோ கிரகான்னா 10th பிளானட்டா. There are only 9 planets. There are only 9 planets. தெரியுமா? நவகிரகங்கள். நவகிரகம் கிடையாது, 10 கிரகம் இருக்கான்னு சொல்லலாம். யாரா 10 கிரகம்னா சனில்லா. ஜாமாதா தசமோ கிரகா. This son-in-law, he just put 3 knots to that girl, and this father-in-law, பாவம் suffering. என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் பாரு, பிராரப்தம். So தசமோ கிரகா. இது வரைக்கும் 9 பிளானட்ஸ் தான் சுத்தண்டி இருக்கு. இப்போ 10வது பிளானட் சேர்த்து சுத்த வேண்டியதாச்சு. பொண்ணு எப்படி இருக்கா பார்க்க வேண்டியதாச்சு இல்லையோ? அவங்க வீட்டுக்கு போகணுமே. ஸோ அந்த கிரகம் கூட சேர்த்து சுத்தணும். 10 grahams one has to turn. Good walking, okay? Traveling. Okay. Uchyate visheshataha. Poduma visheshataha? This is visheshana. Now author wants to present how people superimpose. He says here vishesha adhyaropa, the list of philosophers he is going to give. There are people, confused people, common confused people. Without thinking, there are people who are confused. Without thinking. Think பண்ணல பாவம் whole confused. சில பேர் think பண்ணி எல்லாம் think பண்ணி confused. Author says, all philosophers, they are all highly educated, confused people. Other philosophers. சாமான்யமா படிக்காதவன் confused, அது ஒரு category. He categorized two people here, two groups. First group of people are called lay people, confused people. Lay confused people. Okay, அப்படி போட்டுக்கலாம். Lay confused people means அவங்களுக்கு ஒன்றும் தெரியல, சாஸ்திரம் தெரியாது, எத்தனை வேதம் இருக்குன்னு தெரியாது, ஸ்மிருதி இருக்குன்னு தெரியாது, சூத்ரா இவெல்லாம் தெரியவே தெரியாது. They don't know anything about Shastra. They also have superimposition. But there are a second group of people, they are called philosophers. Second group of people are called philosophers, but confused. Philosophers, well versed in Shastra, well versed in Vedas, well versed in Smriti, well versed in Purana, well versed in Sutras, everything, Tarka, Nyaya, Mimamsa, everything they are well versed, but confused. Who are they? Come on, see the list. Onna ronda nariya per irukappa. Lay people confused means we don't bother. Okay, pavam vidu. Idu padichu kuda ivan ee tappu pandrana adudane vishesham. Puja Swamiji or story solluvar adikadi. Pashyannapi na pashyati anna. Eppadina if you go to gramam, villages and all, வீடு வாசல் எல்லாம் குள்ளமா இருக்கும். இந்த டால் பீப்புள் உள்ள வரும்போது குனிஞ்சு வாங்கோன்னு சொல்லுவான். அவர் அங்கிருக்கும் போதே முன்னாடியே சொல்லணும் இல்லையா? என்ன வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் டமால்னு பம்ப் வந்துடும். ஸோ அங்கிருக்கும் போதே முள்ளமா போங்க, அங்கே ரொம்ப குறிச்சலா இருக்கும் வாசல், முள்ளமா போங்கன்னு பாப்பா அவர் அங்கிருந்தே பெண்ட் பண்ணி வருவான். பெண்ட் பண்ணி வந்து கரெக்டா இங்க வரும்போது he'll raise the head and get bump. These are all educated philosophers. They know Shastra. Lay people na correct Shastram varaku vande Shruti padichi Vedam theriyum ella Shastram padichi same mantras they also interpret, but wrongly they interpret. Dvaita, Vishishtadvaita, Charvaka, Buddhism, Jainism, Mimamsakas, Prabhakara Matam, ellame tappu Visheshama mistakes panduva. And though they are all philosophers, highly educated, elated, enlightened in the Vishayathula enlightened. Now the author is presenting. Now let us see Charvakas, again 4 types. 4 types of Charvakas. Charvakas means who? Charu, Vak. Charu anna rasam. Not rasam. Telugulo Charu anna rasam. Okay. Charu anna beautiful, sweet. Vak means speech. Sweet speech. Yami mam pushpitam vacham pravadantya avipaschitaha Vedavadarata partha nanyadastiti vadinaha. Charvakas are those people, materialists in artham. Charvaka means what? Dehame Atma. They say, this body is Atma. First type of Charvakas. Second type of Charvakas, these sense organs alone Atma. All sense organs alone called as Atma. Second type of Charvakas. Error parungo. Truth is one. Errors can be many. Errors can be many. Satyam Advaitam Brahma is one. But errors are many. Rope is one. How many projections? One rope means 4 projections are. 4 என்ன சுவாமினி 10 கூட வரலாம் அப்புறம் வரும். அதுதான் once I miss the fact I am the Brahman, all Brahmas will come. All Brahmas will come. Confusions, delusions, illusions, hallucinations, speculations, imaginations, அப்படியே தானாவே வந்துடும், கஷ்டப்படாமலே வந்துடும். என்ன ஒரு மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணிட்டோம் இல்லையோ, கணக்கு போடும்போது ஒரு ஸ்டெப்பு தப்பா போச்சு மேலே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப்பே தப்பு, அப்போ செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப்பு கரெக்டாக வருமா? தேர்ட் ஸ்டெப்பு ராங், ஃபோர்த் ஸ்டெப்பு ராங், ஃபிஃப்த் ஸ்டெப்பு ராங், சிக்ஸ்த்து ராங், எயித்து, நைன்த்து, டென்த்து ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர் ரைட் ஆர் ராங்? புரியுறது இல்லையோ? அது எப்படியோ, if I miss, I am the consciousness, Brahma Chaitanyam, my interactions with the world, my relations, my understanding, my concepts, my beliefs, my faith, everything is அப்படியே doldrums, vague, confusion. ஒரு தப்பு பண்ணதுனால எல்லா தவறுகள் வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். நிம்மதி வரலையே, வராது. எப்படி வரும் நிம்மதி? Correct your notion. Therefore, don't try to change the world. There is nothing wrong in the world. There is something wrong with your understanding. Never try to change your wife. Never try to change your husband. Never try to change your brother or sister. Never try to change your son or daughter. Change yourself. Correct your notion. If you correct yourself, everything is fine. ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டில தப்பே இல்லை, தோஷமே இல்லை. தோஷம் எல்லாம் இங்கதான் இருக்கு. If you know you are Brahman, everything appears as Brahman. There is no problem. That's why for Jnani, there is no problem in the world. There is no problem to himself or herself. There is no problem also outside. Why people are having problem? Because Ajnanam. The first Charvaka, second Charvaka, third Charvaka says Prana is Atma. First Charvaka says Deha is Atma. Second Charvaka says sense organs are called Atma. Third Charvaka says Prana is Atma. Pranatmavada. Dehatmavadi, Indriyatmavadi, Pranatmavadi, Mana Atmavadi. Manas is Atma. எத்தனை சார்வாக்கரை பாருங்க. அண்ட் விஜ்ஞான ஆத்மவாதி புத்திஸ்ட், அவனும் அது ஒரு டைப் ஆஃப் சார்வாக்கா. சார்வாக்கா மதம் ஆல்சோ born here only. சார்வாக்கா இஸ் a great philosopher. அது சார்வாக்க மதம்னே பேர் அதுக்கு. இப்படி இருக்கிற all materialistic people, they are all called charvakas. That's what he is going to present in this topic. Next topic we will read. Ati prakritastu atma vai jayate putraha ityadi shrutehe swasminniva putrepi प्रेम दर्शनात् पुत्रे पुष्टे नष्टे च अहमेव पुष्टः नष्टः च इत्यादि अनुभवाच्च पुत्र आत्मेति वदति. When I was taking this Vedanta Sara in the beginning, I said this is like simple Tattva Bodha expansion. Many students concluded only Tattva Bodha தானே, அப்ப வேண்ட கிளாஸுக்கு நினைச்சேன். இந்த எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் எங்கேயும் வராது. This type of other systems of philosophy again you see only in Brahma Sutra. But this is the text where you can understand other systems of philosophy. That's why Vedanta Sara is a complete text. One must study. Very, very important. So, here, the first Charvaka he presents here. In every system of philosophy, that philosopher presents Shruti Pramana, Yukti Pramana, Anubhav Pramana. My system, what I talk is right. I have Shastra Pramanam, number 1. Shruti Pramanam, I have Shastra support, whatever I say is correct. He establishes, he quotes from that Shastra. Number 1. Number 2, Yukti Pramanam. Logically also I am right. He establishes. Logical, Yukti Pramana Dwara. Then third is Anubhava Pramanam. My experience. அனுபவபூர்வகமா சொல்றேன் நான். அனுபவபூர்வகமா சொல்றேன். என்ன தப்பு தப்பா சொல்றான் பாருங்க. நம்ம கூட அத்வைதம் எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்றதுக்கு ஸ்ருதி பிரமாணா, யுக்தி பிரமாணா, அனுபவ பிரமாணம். அவன் கூட ஸ்ருதி பிரமாணா, யுக்தி பிரமாணா, அனுபவ பிரமாணம். So he says, first look into that. Shruti Pramanam first. Each topic lo 3 varum. Shruti Pramanam varum, Yukti Pramanam varum, logic, reasoning. அப்புறம் அனுபவ பிரமாணம். அனுபவம் மேல வேறு என்ன வேணும்? இது என்னோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் சொல்றேன். சாஸ்திரா says all your experience need not be correct. அது அப்புறம் சொல்ல போறோம். What he says, ஆத்மாவை ஜாயதே புத்திரஹ அதி பிராகிருதஹ means lay person. அசம்ஸ்கிருத புருஷஹ, lay person, படிக்காதவன். படிக்காதவன் பிக்சர் கூட இருக்கா? சினிமா படிக்காதவன் இருக்க? படிக்காதவன். உங்களுக்கு எப்படி தெரியும் சுவாமி தமிழ் பேரு? நான் தமிழ் படிப்பேன். ஓகே, தமிழ் தெரியும். என்ன இதெல்லாம் வருது. பிராகிருதஸ்து வேற பிராகிருதஹ படிக்காதவன். படிக்காதவன் என்ன? காலேஜுக்கு போகாமலே சாஸ்திரம் படிக்காமலே அந்த ஒன்றும் தெரியாமலே இருப்பவன் அர்த்தம். அதி பிராகிருதஹ, நாட் ஆர்டினரி, எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம்லி. அதி முட்டாள் அர்த்தம். வடிகட்டின முட்டாள். அதி பிராகிருதஹ மீன்ஸ் எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம்லி unrefined person anartham. Unrefined. What he says, Atmavai jayate putraha. He quotes from that Vedas, mantras, Upanishad mantras. Putra is born out of me alone. Who says? Shastra says, Atmavai jayate putraha. Atma venna? From you only Putra born. Shastra says, I have Shruti Pramanam. From this Deha only, no? Son born. From this Deha only son born. Correct, Dane? Correct, da. Iti Adi Shruteha means there are so many quotations like that. Swasmin iva putre api prema darshanat. Swasminiva, just as he loves himself, how much love is there upon oneself, that much is there upon son. How? Prema darshanat. Prema is appearing. My son, my son, my son. He's gone hitting this person. After hitting, இப்போ சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து எதை ஹிட் பண்றான்னு பரவாயில்ல. After growing up also hitting. Mataramapi tadayati, pitaramapi tadayati. He beats mother. Anana, my son. Enna prema. Prema darshanat. Putre pushte nashte cha ahameva pushtaha ahameva nashtaha. My son got what? High post job. Appa pushtaha. Earning money. He is telling to all people. I got a phone call 2 days before. And அப்பாக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். என்னோட பையனுக்கு ஒரு டைட்டில் கொடுக்குறாங்க சுவாமினி. இன்னைக்கு என்னோட பையனுக்கு ஒரு டைட்டில் கொடுக்குறாங்க. அப்பாக்கு ஒரே சந்தோஷம். ஏன்னா புத்திரே புஷ்டா அஹம் புஷ்டா. So when son is happy, son is getting lot of money, job, everything, nice wife, nice children, nice house, bangla, car. Papa kuda, he won't stand on the floor. No, flying. புத்திரே நஷ்டே, பையனுக்கு ஏதாவது ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அகம் நஷ்ட. पुत्रे पुष्टे अहम पुष्टः, पुत्रे नष्टे अहम नष्ट. Why? My son. அந்த பிரேம தர்ஷனா, அந்த பிரேம தெரியறது இல்லையோ, இதுதான் லாஜிக். கரெக்ட் தானே? லாஜிக், யுக்தி. புஷ்டஹா நஷ்டஹா ச இத்யாதி அனுபவः. This அனுபவா புத்திர ஆத்மா இது வததி. புத்திர பிரேம தர்ஷனம். எவ்ரி ஃபாதர் லவ்ஸ் ஹிஸ் சன் ஆர் டாட்டர். பிரேம தர்ஷனா யுக்தி தெரியறது, லாஜிக். ஏன்னா he is born from me, என்னோட சம்பந்தம், எனக்கு blood relation. It's a யுக்தி. அனுபவம், if he is happy, I am happy. If children are not happy, how parents can be happy? They cannot be happy. ஒரு பெரிய பையன் செட்டில் ஆயிட்டா சுவாமி, சின்ன பையன் இன்னும் செட்டில் ஆகலைன்னா. பெரிய பையன் செட்டில் ஆயினா சின்ன பையன் செட்டில் ஆகல. ஒன்று 2 பேரும் செட்டில் ஆயிட்டா, குழந்தை பிறக்கல, இவருக்கு ஒரே தூக்கம் வராது. குழந்தை பிறக்கல, குழந்தை பிறக்க அப்படி என்னன்னா அப்படி கண்டினியூ ஆகிட்டு இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் பார்க்கலாம். ஓம் பூர்ணமதః பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரிஹி ஓம். ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமः.